Okay, here we go. Me and Briggs love it here. Don't we, Briggs? Ooh, look at the foam. I might have to learn how to surf next time I come back. You can teach an old dog new tricks. And I'm not even an old dog yet. Briggs is, though. Briggs, are you an old dog? He's a senior, almost a senior citizen. Look, let's go check out the phone, Briggs. Briggs, look here. What is this? Look at that. Cool beans. I've been hanging around with young kids too much. My language is suffering. Briggs, this is our last morning on the beach. What do you think? Tell the people. Come on, give them a voice. Okay, we're going to sign off and enjoy our morning.